Hello and welcome to this exciting video in which we are going to be learning about how we can create your own AI agents with the help of a platform that is going to be providing us with all the tools and required things that we are going to be needing to create an AI agent that will be performing different operations, as well as it will be having the functionality of different APIs like Anthropic Claude, OpenAI's GPT models will be also providing us with the support for Google's Gemini models. And we can use all of these things at one single place, and you don't need to worry about different technologies that are required to create an AI agent like RAG, vector databases and all. The entire things will be available on this platform, that is Lyzr Agent Studio. With the help of Lyzr Agent Studio, we can create safe and reliable AI agents that are responsible, as well as it will be providing with the appropriate output based on a given input with the help of Lyzr Agent Studio. So without further ado, let's get started with it. So to get started with Lyzr Studio, you need to click on the first link below to get started with a account that will be providing you free credits as well. So you don't need to pay anything upfront. And if you like this, you can switch to the paid plans as well. And on the home page, you can see design, build and deploy AI agent effortlessly. So to get started, you will be getting the first link below. After clicking on the first link, you will be greeted with this particular page that you see over here. Welcome, and your username will be available over here, and you can easily get started. And there are some videos that are available over here to get started creating your first ever AI agent. And you can see community agents are also available, so you can also explore some of the agents that have been created by some other users. So this is available in the Lyzr App Studio, where you can try out what people have built out there, and you can just explore them. So if you want, you can just explore these different AI agents that are created by people out there. So for now, what we will do is we will just click on agents. So we're going to be trying to create our first ever agent over here. So I will just click on create new agent, and here you will be able to provide a name to your agent. So you just need to provide any name over here. So I want it to create a YouTube short script writer. Now over here, you can see that I have created this YouTube short script writer, and here I will be providing some description about this. So I want to create an AI agent that will be generating YouTube short scripts for any topic out there. So here I will be providing it with a description as well. Now we can find out different LLM providers that are available on Lyzr Studio. So you can either use OpenAI's APIs or models. We can also use Anthropic's models like Sonnet and Haiku. And apart from that, we also have Google's model like Gemini and all. So if I just select this OpenAI, you will be able to see that we have options to get 4.0 and 4.0 mini. And apart from this, we have Anthropic models like Sonnet and Haiku. Then in Google, we have Gemini models, Gemini 2.0 Flash and 1.5 Flash and 1.5 Pro. So you can use any of the models that you like. And in our use case, that is going to be YouTube short script writer, I'll be using Anthropic, and I'll be selecting the Sonnet model, which is the latest one. And you can just set up the temperature and top P over here. So the temperature will be, I think 0.7 is good. So I will keep it to the default one. Now here, I need to provide the instruction for the AI agent and the role that it is going to be performing. So you are an YouTube short script writer that helps creating short scripts for YouTube videos. Now I have added the entire the prompt over here and agent role, and I can also include that I want the scripts to be the scripts should be around 45 to 50 seconds with a wider stroke. Now, this is a basic prompt that I have added over here. And if I click on improve, now what you will see is it will be trying to improve this particular prompt and adding the instruction automatically in the agent instruction. So you don't need to write a lot of things over here, because this improve prompt button will be doing a lot of things for us. And you can see that this particular prompt is using different prompt engineering techniques, and the entire thing is being created properly. And your task is to craft a script of 40 to 45-second long for YouTube Shorts and so on. The entire instruction is created by AI itself. So you don't need to provide a lot of details over here. You just need to add the agent role, and you can click on the improve button. It will be adding the things over here. So after adding this, what we can do is we can even configure it with the other tools. So if I just click on this, so it will be redirecting us to the tools page here. So you will be able to see that what all tools we can connect with. So we can connect with GitHub, Slack, Discord, ClickUp, Spotify, Twitter, Notion. Then we have Gmail, YouTube, and other options are also available over here, like Calendly and uh, Perplexity AI. So what we can do is, for now, let's say I want to connect and get the data into my Notion templates. So what I can do is I can just click on connect with Notion, and sure, I need to just sign in with my Notion account, and it will be connecting that with my Lyzr Studio, so that I will be able to fetch the details or the entire, what you can say is the script, and add it into a Notion template. So let me just try to log in into my account, and I will get back to you. So now, after connecting and authenticating my Notion, you can see that it has been added over here. So the Notion was successfully added over here. Next step would be going back over here and trying to refresh this. Now you'll be able to see that I'll be able to configure Notion over here. And how would you like to use this tool? So I just need to add a text over here. Add the scripts in the Notion. So I'll be just adding this thing over here. So it will be transferring the data, whatever scripts has been created, and adding it into my Notion, and I'll be easily able to use that. So if you want, you can configure even more tools that are available over here. You can even integrate it with Slack. So whenever a prompt is given to the AI agent, it will be sending you the script on your Slack or Discord channel. So that is also possible. But for now, in this use case, I have just set it up to get the scripts in my Notion. So you can also add a output example that you want over here. So if you have any output example that you would like to get, so you can just add it over here. Now the next thing will be, you'll be able to add knowledge base to it. So if you have any different knowledge base that is available with you, that has some viral hooks or viral data that you can feed in here, so you can just add it using this. So what I can do is YT, and I will be just creating the knowledge base name YT Shorts, and I'll be adding YouTube's script short script writer. And here I'll be just selecting the vector store, and I'll be using this particular one that is available. Apart from this, we can use this LLM embedding model that are available over here. So you can use text embedding 3 small, then text embedding 3 large, and we have the other one as well, that is ADA. So what I will do is I will just use the small one for now. So I have created this particular knowledge base. Inside this, I can upload different documents in here. So let's say I have a document using which I will be using it to get exactly similar output. I can just upload that over here, or you can also add a raw text in here as well. So what you can do is you can just provide any file. You can drag and drop a file, or you can select a file which is in the form of .pdf, .docs, or text. So you can add any of the files over here, or you can also provide an URL in here that will be used to get the information about the knowledge base. So you can just use this. So right now I have a document. I'll be uploading that over here in the knowledge base. Next, what we can do is over here, after coming to this, we'll be able to find the knowledge base that we have created, that is a YT knowledge base. I'll be just saving that. And you can also configure short term memory, so retains contextual memory for at least 10 interference. So it will be having the short term memory for 10 inference that we're going to be calling this particular AI agent with. You can also integrate long term memory that will be having more context to the chat. So it will be storing the data for a longer period. So you can just select that. If you want to get humanized responses in the output, you can just select the humanizer option that is available over here. So then we have responsible AI. If you want to do reflections, that will be allowing on its responses and improve its accuracy. So you can also add reflections that will be allowed over here. And groundness, there is another option that is coming soon, and context relevance, that is also coming soon. So these options will be available in, like, I think 1 or 2 weeks, so you'll be able to use them as well. So that's another feature that will be coming up next. Then you'll be able to see safe AI. Then you can add fairness and biases. Then you can tweak some other things as well. But for now, you will be good to go by using these different settings that we have done over here. If I just click on create, it will be creating the AI agent for us, and we'll be able to use this easily. Now you'll be able to see that here we will be able to give a prompt, and it will be trying to fetch the data and give us the output. Let's say we want to get a script for generative AI. Now this is going to be my topic. I want a script on this specific topic in the output. So now what it will do is it will try to generate the script on this specific topic, and it will be returning the script in the output. So let's wait for it to process the data. You'll be also seeing the latency that this particular model will give us the output in. So it might take few seconds to get the output. Now you can see this is the output, and you can see this is the entire script that it has generated for us. So you can see the script is quite amazing that it has generated in few seconds, and we have just provided a few prompts over here and there, and it has generated the entire script for us. So I think after deploying this agent, it will be able to write the data into Notion as well. Right now it's not able to add data into Notion, but you can see that the AI agent has been created successfully. We can write any topic, and it will be trying to create an script, YouTube a short script using this. So let me give you it another topic, AGI. Now, if I just hit enter, it will be trying to create a script on AGI, technology, and generative AI. So AGI is nothing but artificial general intelligence. Let's see what script it is going to be creating. And this particular script, you can see that in just a few years, generative AI has exploded onto the scene. Imagine this: ChatGPT crafting novels, AI art generating painting masterpieces, and so on. So you can just read out the entire script, and it has created a really great hook as well, and it has created the entire script. Here you can see the new script that it has generated, and it has a viral hook as well that is available over here. And you can see this is another thing. So concise and entertaining narration, and there is a strong and memorable closing that it has generated using this particular AI agent that we have created in under, I think, 10-15 minutes. And we have actually a working AI agent that we can deploy. So I think everything is working fine with our AI agent. What we can do is now to deploy this agent, we don't need to have any hosting domain and all that things. The Lyzr Studio will be taking care of everything. We just need to click on launch as app, and you will be able to, yes, I am ready. You just need to click this, and you can just provide the details over here. So the name of the app will be YouTube Short Script Writer. Then we'll be adding it into technology. I think technology will be best. YouTube Short Script Writer, and we can make it public as well. If you want, you can make it private or public, and we'll be adding this details, and we'll be clicking on launch app. Now our app will be successfully launched in the marketplace of App Store that is available in the Lyzr Studio, and you can see this is the page of that. If I just go over here, you'll be able to use this particular AI agent that we have created right now, and you can also test out this particular AI agent by going to this particular link. So I'll be also providing the link to my AI agent that we have created in this video. So similarly, you can create as many different AI agents as you want using Lyzr Studio. So I think that was it for this particular lesson on exploring and how to create an AI agent using Lyzr AI Studio. So I hope you were successfully able to create your first ever AI agent using Lyzr AI Studio. And hopefully it was a really easy process for you to create this particular AI agent end to end, and you'll be able to explore a lot of things on Lyzr Agent Studio, and you'll be able to create a lot of different AI agents that will be performing a lot of tasks on your behalf. So I think that was it for this particular video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.